What's up everybody? In this video, you are going to learn how to open Shopify partner account quickly. So let's get started. First of all, we need to go to Shopify partner. So just go to Google and search Shopify partner. And then you will see become a Shopify partner website. Just simply go on there. And then we need to join or become a partner. So I am going to become a partner. So here you can see you can use multiple way with Google, with Facebook, with your Apple ID, with email. So I do prefer go with Google. So just hit the go with Google, and here you can see I am giving the permission to Google, and then you can see what's the main way you plan to use Shopify. So I just want to building a new Shopify store for client, and then new, and you can see it's you need to select your country, but I am from Bangladesh, so that's why I am using Bangladesh, and then hit the next. So you can say the business ID is Nasim IT, and you can give the address, or you can, so it's test and 7 told you. So it is actually demo account I am opening, so I don't want to do anything. I just, in this page you need to use put your job title, your phone number, and Facebook URL and LinkedIn URL are optional. So I just want to marketing, and just simply random I just give that, and then hit the create, and you can see now my Shopify partner is ready. So when your Shopify partner will ready, then you can get access of your client store, or you can make a development site in this place. So that's why actually Shopify partner is important to build your skills. So, or you can experiment something, so you can open your account. I hope it's not so difficult, you can easily do that.
That's all for today. If you found this video was useful, then hit the thumbs up. And if you want to see more video like this, then you can subscribe to this channel, because it will help me to continue working on this channel. My name is Nasim, and I will see you on the next video. Till then, bye. Have a good day. Take care.